Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's Savvy once again. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today, I was just cleaning, so I just decided, let me do a simple DIY. It's a body scrub, a sugar body scrub, 3 ingredients, super simple, takes about 2 minutes. I know my video is a little longer, so please bear with me. I'm still new to this and I'm getting the hang of it. So anyways, as listed, I'll list the ingredients twice. The ingredients are 2 cups of any raw sugar, any kind that you want. I use brown raw sugar, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and 1/4 cup of lime juice. Super simple because these items are fresh, like the juice is fresh. This will probably have a shelf life of 5 to 7 days. You want to keep it in the refrigerator just to be on the safe side. If you decide to use essential oils, you'll be okay. It can last up to 30 days. But because I use fresh lime juice, it's going to be about 5 to 7 days. Anywho, super simple. Like I said, I was cleaning, so I just decided to sit down at the kitchen table, and since I already have the ingredients, decided to just go ahead and do a video of a scrub. I do plan on doing more videos like this, also in regards to other things, like I said, home decor, hair, and like I said, DIYs, anything like that. So enjoy. Talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that way you're notified when I do post other videos. Thank you so much.